I'm Greg with Sloan Implement Company, and I'm here today to show you the 1, 2, 3 of a John Deere quick attach loader on a 1025R tractor. We're going to start the tractor and I'll show you how it is 1, 2, 3. Up the loader down. Flip the latch. Raise up the loader, pop off, unhook the hoses, and it's just that simple. Going back the other way is just the same as 3, 2, 1. And there you have it, quick attach, on and off, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. With 2 years, 2,000-hour warranty and a 6-year powertrain warranty and a 0% for 60 months. You can't beat it with a stick.